Hello everyone. What is the impact that colors have in your life? Think about it. Here I am wearing a nice green jacket with a pink scarf, and I feel as though I am like a budding flower. Yeah, I know it sounds a little corny and cheesy, but for me, green is the color of growth and pink is the color of happiness. Colors and emotions have always been very closely interlinked. In fact, from the time we are young children to the time we get into adulthood, our language, the way we speak, and the culture we are born in impacts the meaning that we attach to color. For example, being part of a country like India, vibrant colors are something that is like second nature to me. If there is an occasion that I want to celebrate, I put on my brightest pink or red and feel one with the festive environment around me. In some cold countries and Scandinavian countries, usually where it's absolutely snow covered and the sky is dull and grey, you will see people display a preference for light blues, greys, soft beige, black. So you have to see what impact do colors have in your life. When you think of warm colors of fall, the bright orange of fallen leaves, usually people in a culture where there's a lot of cold climate associate it with pumpkin pie, cozy sweaters, Halloween, and all things warm and fuzzy. When you talk to somebody who's grown up in a warm tropical climate, autumn is the time where you are finally free of the musty monsoon rains and you are looking forward to nice cool breeze being a part of life. So take a minute and think about which color makes you happy. I'm going to give you some clues. So let's see. Usually red is associated with passion, being aggressive as being important. In fact, the Red Cross sign, why is it red? It's just to tell us it's very, very important. On a hot date, on a Valentine's night, red is the chosen color globally. Why? Because it displays passion. If you see any sign of danger, you will always have it marked in red. The skeleton in red, which is usually there on combustible goods, is all associated with red. Orange is the color which is associated with being playful and energetic. So you will see during Halloween there is a lot of pumpkin pies which are being baked and also very colorful and very, very playful. Yellow is happy, friendly, and warming. Every time you wear yellow, you feel as though sunshine has come into your life. Green. Green is a color which is associated with nature, stability, and prosperity. So if you want to feel prosperous or want some stability in life, green is the go-to color. Blue is something which is associated with being serene, trustworthy, and it's inviting. So if you are going through a difficult day or the climate outside is hot, try wearing something which is soft, blue, and very soothing. Purple is something which is romantic, mysterious, and luxurious. If you feel that you want to indulge yourself, try and pick out something in purple. So as we look at these colors from the Vibgyor rainbow colors, we will see that we can take charge of our moods sometimes by just focusing on what are we wearing. A lot of things in life are beyond our control, but what we could do is add a bit of color into a regular day and see the day ahead sparkle the way we want it to. I hope this helped you realize how we can take charge of little things in our life. Usually, we always think that the other person can make us happy or sad or things in our life. That may be true in some situations, but what really works is if we start associating with colors in a way that we can regulate our moods. Colors can in fact make us feel happy or sad. Think about it. Every time, which color makes you feel happy? For some people, white is a color the moment they wear, they feel extremely relaxed. It seems as though the pressure inside and outside just gets toned down. For me, the color that works invariably is pink. I love wearing pink. It makes me feel soft, feminine, and in charge of my life in general. So, think about which color makes you feel hungry, and also, do you react to any particular color in a particular way? Which color reminds you of childhood interactions with friends? Which is the color that you associate with your parents? When we start looking at everything from our own lens, we start managing our own emotions and we experience emotional well being. So, let me know how colors impact your emotions and behavior, and I hope this was helpful to you. Take care.